some do's and don'ts for negotiation. Develop some strategies. For example, when you are negotiating your salary, you should know that it is not a good idea to accept the first offer, but you should also be prepared to make some compromises. For entry level positions, there may be no room to negotiate. You should try to choose the right time as well as the right person to negotiate with. It is ideal if the other party makes the first offer because this lets you position your own offer and use it to your advantage. The next step is to keep the negotiation in your control, which you can achieve through confidence and influence. Watch and read the other party's body language. During a negotiation, you have to be polite even if you don't like the other party. You should never show your feelings or make decisions based on your feelings. Always have a clear idea of what you will regard as a victory. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to take everything. That is not the purpose of negotiating.